Good afternoon guys, today is today. Bali ngayon guys, wala tayong trabaho. Ngayon is magluluto tayo ng pananghalian natin guys. Ito ngayon, nagluluto pa ako ng kanin. Yan, nagakulo pa lang guys. Bali, ang luluto natin ulam ngayon is yung pabiling nakuha ng kuya ko kanina guys. Minsan isasama ko guys, magsama tayo mga dito guys. Oh, yan. Bali sa ilog lang yan namin nakukuha guys. Sa ilog lang namin yan. Yan. Bali ang tawag dito sa amin is kubili. Yan. Bali piprituin lang yan natin. Bali ito pala yung lalagyan natin ng testiboy guys. Yan din, magic sarap. Then asin lang. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung proseso kung paano palutungin yung ganyang shells guys. Yan. Bali yan na pala guys yan. Painin na. Then ngayon is hugasan natin to guys. Dahil una natin lalagayin yan. Hugasan muna natin. Bali yan pala si kuya guys ang nagkuha. Yan. Yan ang kuya ko guys. Hi ka. Bali dito lang pala natin sa kawali yan lalagyan. Bali yan na pala lahat guys. Halos may isang kawali. Pero konti lang yung makukuha ang laman guys. Hindi siya gaano marami. Kasi nga balat lang yung shell niya lang yung makapal dyan guys. Bali anguin na pala natin yung kanin guys. Tapos itungtong natin tong shell. Then yung ito palang shell guys, kahit shells guys, kahit hindi mo siya lagyan ng tubig kusa siya nagtutubig. Pero yung atin guys, lagyan natin kahit kunting tubig lang guys. Iba din talaga kasi para mabilis siya magbuka guys. At yan, kung narinig nyo nga guys, yan. Yung parang nagkakulo-kulo siya, nagalabas na siya ng tubig. Bali hindi pa natin nalagyan ng tubig guys, ito pa lang yung tubig na ilalagay natin. Bali ito guys, yung shells na to, mabilis lang din to siya magbuka guys. Mga ilang minutes lang buka na siya. Bali magputol-putol muna pala ako guys ng kahoy habang hinihintay nating magbuka yan. Bali yan ang guys no. Kung nakita nyo nagamat-amat na siya nagabuka guys yan. Yan. Bali mga ilang minutes na lang guys. Pag nagbuka na kasi yan siya, pwede na yan nating ano yun, hanguin, matanggalin sa shell niya. Bali, yan nga pala guys, balikan lang natin mamaya yan guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung nag-aaral sa taniman namin guys. Bali, nagiram kami kay Brother Delo ng pera para may pang pa-araro kami guys sa taniman namin. Dahil sayang naman po kasi kung walang kung hindi maitanim yung natirang similya na tinanim namin sitaw guys. Then wala po kasi kaming kalabaw kaya yun. Kaya nagpapa-araro lang po kami. Mas okay po sana kung meron. Bali dito lang yung banda guys. Bali yan yung dating kawa upuhan namin guys. Bali uncle ko pala nag-aararo guys. Yun. Yan araro na kasi guys kasi nga turas na din. Yun na nga guys oh. Yan. Nagamatamat na magbuka. Bali yung sa ibabaw na lang hindi pa nakabuka guys. Mga ilang minutes na lang. Bali yan na guys oh. Nagbuka-buka na yung iba guys. Yan. Halos karamihan na rin nagbuka pero yung iba hindi pa gaano guys. Yung katulad nito guys yan oh. Hindi pa siya nagbuka. Bali kailangan niyang magbuka. Dahil mahirapan tayo kunin guys siya sa loob. Bali yan pala guys. Okay na po yan. Yan. Okay na yan siya guys. Bali hanguin na natin ngayon yan. Bali ilipat muna natin dito guys sa ano dito sa bilas. Bali yan guys oh, medyo malaki-laki din yung laman pero kapag nipirito na siya guys magaliit din yun guys. Kasi nga magkakipis siya. Bali si kuya pala guys mahilig siya sa magpuntang dagat, ilog, magkuha ng pangulam namin kaso lang nga guys. Minsan na lang siya makapadagat. Kapag ano na lang guys magkuha ng kuday dahil kasi nga yung pana niya kasi yan nasira na guys yan. Bali na putol na yung dito then dito nasira na din guys, wala na yung kakalabitan kaya yun madalang na lang din siya makapamana. Hindi halos araw-araw din siya sa dagat guys para may pang ulam kami. Then kaya ngayon ito naman guys shells na naman yung inano niya guys. Bali siya lang yung nanguha nito guys. Bali yan na nga pala guys. Kaya pala natin nilagay dito guys para madali malamig at madali natin kunin. Bali ngayon is himay natin guys. Tatanggalin na natin sa kanyang shell. Ito yung lalagay natin guys. Bali ganito lang guys. Yan. Tatanggalin na sa shells niya guys. Wala yung mga laman. Bali ito na po guys. Yan. Tapos na natin tanggalan. Bali ngayon ito is hugasan muna natin. Bali, ito na po yan. Hugasan na po natin yan. Then, ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng kunting asin guys. Yan. Malinis yung kamay ko guys ha. Then, magic sarap guys. Yan, bali ito yung magapalasa sa kanya. Bali ito, gagatungin na natin yung apoy guys. Bali yung kawali na ugasan ko na po pala. Bali yan na. Hintayin na lang natin siyang mag-init guys yung kawali. Bago natin lagyan ng mantika. Bali yan lang pala yung mantika natin guys. Medyo kunti lang guys pero okay lang din. Bali ito is hindi natin nauubusin yan guys. Yan. Yan lang, ganyan lang guys. Para yung ito guys, para sa chicken fry niya guys. Kapag nilagyan na natin ng tasty boy. Bali, hintayin lang muna natin uminit yan. Yan, medyo nagkakulo-kulo na po yung mantika. Bali guys, hindi na pala natin inano na to. Ginayat-gayat. Yan yung mga kubili. Para mas masarap siya guys. Mas malaki. Pero depende naman yan sa nagluluto guys. Kung gustong gayat-gayatin or hindi. Lulutuin natin siya ng malutong na malutong guys. Yung pang pagkagat mo pwedeng matanggal ng ngipin mo. Bali. Yan guys, okay na yan guys. Lagay natin to. Diyan na natin haluin yan guys dahil mananakit yan. I mean magapisik-pisik. Bali, dyan lang natin. Yan. Maya natin halo-haloin guys. Na guys, pwede na yan. Pwede na halo-haloin. Uy. Bali, suggest ko pala sa inyo guys kung may ganyan kayong shells, mas the best yung crispy fry na pink guys, yung medyo maanghang guys. Mas masarap siya guys kainin. Tapos yung sausawan niya is yung suka din na yung suka na may sili guys yun. Yan guys, medyo nagdo-brown na siya. Hihintayin pala natin siyang maging golden brown guys bago natin siya aunin. Bumubula-bula na guys. Medyo malapit-lapit na. Malapit-lapit na natin mahango. Bali yan na pala guys yan. Mahango na natin. Yan. Medyo crunchy na siya. Baliligay muna natin dito guys para medyo maglamig na siya. Bago natin lagyan ng tasty boy.
Yum 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 yum.
This is yum yum?
Maybe. But we need spicy. Spicy
Yeah.
tasty boy too.
It's good. Good taste.
I hear Alan in the distance with it. And we stare for 30 seconds.
Bali, niswap ko na palang kilate guys yung ano, tasty boy. Dahil may mahangang silang tasty boy ito. Yan.
Yeah. Yes, it's a tasty boy. Look, how close can we get? Camera kissing.
Then yan siya ate guys, yan.
Right, so this one is going to be spicy as you're saying on, but we don't want it as crispy. So John Mark took this off this time around to make it a little bit like less.
It's okay because this one is a bigger shell. Because before I cooked the shell, I cut because I pick up something inside.
The algae.
Yeah. Then how Denmark it's a whole shell.
They sound crispy already.
You want to try there?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, you try if what taste if good like that or not.
Maybe.
But
It's hot.
you try.
I'm afraid now if it gets cooked more,
Wow.
that it's gonna go really hard because the outside, like these bits, are a little bit hard, but then the inside is soft.
Yeah.
But once they get cooked more in this tasty boy, it's gonna get really hard, I say.
Maybe it's okay because the other one's like a
It's chewy, if you know what I
Yeah.
mean, like the edges and then the middle is squishy still.
yeah.
Yeah. So it's nice already, I think. What do you think?
Bali ito pala guys, ihalo na natin to itlog ng manok natin.
Oh my goodness, Kubo. It's so good, Kubo.
He likes it, doesn't he?
Yeah, I like it too.
He's not
Right.
scared of me, he's happy enough.
Yeah. Where is it? That's good, he's not jumping.
Itlog ng chicken na native.
How are you? No jumping. Don't be
But
scared.
ito, bali ito pala guys yung ano, nipalit nila natin, manghang na tasty boy.
Coming back. Let's see, is it still there or did it get? Still there. Possible? How did you catch your curry?
Come on! I don't want to get. Oh no!
No.
Bali yung kauli pala natin guys, nakasalang na guys yan. Sayang.
Weird, Kubo.
Bali ito na yung mantika natin guys, yan. Lagay natin.
He likes it. Like, he
Yeah.
would have jumped off, wouldn't he?
Yeah.
Kubo, what are you doing?
Oh, siguro sabi ka.
Okay, he's put it in there.
Looks yummy.
Yeah.
But now it's all ready to fry.
But the juice will soften it up, I think. The water on the outside of it, mixed with the crispy. This looks different than last time.
Because this one have a egg.
Have eggs?
Yes.
Yo, these look good. Anne, what are you doing? Not putting the egg in last time? Oh,
Look guys. Guys, so nagabula-bula na naman siya. Bale, kukunin na natin yung tamang texture niya, yung golden brown. Pwede na to siya, guys. Okay na natin.
Lagyan mo sa lalagyan.
It's look, bro. It's look like a really good.
Oh, nagatulo ang magkakaayos mo.
Yeah, I like these a lot actually. They're really good.
Sarap pala yan.
Like, you need egg. You need egg 100%.
No, you need John Mark to cook the shell.
That's what he's done, but it's egg and then the spicy one.
Yeah, then need to separate oil to fry it again.
Right.
The second
So
fried.
that's a different technique then as well.
Yeah.
Then. Separate oil.
Mm.
Gotcha. That's a lot of work goes into it considering Don Don's went and actually got it. And then it's all the oil, egg, and then the way you have to cook it. You know? The technique, yeah, like the way you have to do it and replace the oil and then take it out on time and stuff, you know? Hey!
Bale guys, andito pala kami sa bahay nila
No,
Brother
no,
Dylan.
no, it's not. It's not.
Maga mga budol fight po kami. Yan. Bale, ito na yung kaldero natin. Ah, bale yan pala guys yung ano. Yan.
So it's a brutal fight, John Mark. I need to wash my hands, man. I've been petting the wee dog. Whoa. Look guys, we've got a brutal fight in the prep. John Mark's getting the spoonfuls of rice out and the banana leaf, and then all of that crispy fry stuff's over there. So it's like a brutal fight-esque style thing that we're doing, the way we're eating. I think Anne's the way to get some. I've requested sweet chili. I think it's going to go so good with them. John Mark wants hot sauce, so that's a bit crazy. Like, he'll be a fire-breathing dragon in a moment. Like,
Nagugas na kayo ng kamay niyo? Bakit ilapit mo sa kanya?
That looks good. That pour.
Ako dito.
Yum, yum, yum.
Let's see it.
I'm washing my hands. Crazy.
Oh no, it's so...
Bale yan na guys, yan na si ate nakapwesto na, ready to eat na talaga.
Ay.
Bale ngayon is
Budol pa ito eh. Bakit ka magkakot para?
maghugas muna tayo ng kamay.
Hugas ko ng kamay. Guys, kaya na tayo guys. Pag yan doon sa gripo.
Is everyone gone and finished? Is this all for me? Nice, yes. Right. I smell that chili. We need this one, guys. So,
You sit there.
this is a fiddle fact. Oh, Ming Ming,
Ulo ka baka.
where are
Yan.
you?
Tasong si kuya.
Yeah.
Taas.
You.
Okay, now let's eat.
Say the word in Tagalog, John Mark.
What?
What did you say? in
Kain na
Tagalog?
tayo.
Ah, yes, that's it.
Balik ka that place. Hindi na, tapos na yan.
Let's eat guys.
Sig, sig, sig.
Ah, your head cannot see.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, it's yummy.
Is
Why?
I know it will be. It's warm on you. I'm making a parcel with it. No. Kubo, eat it. Eat the thing. Oh, that wee bit maybe.
Oh, big one. This one, oh, big one you like.
Why not? Look at this one. Yo, it looks like a brain of a animal. And you hold it by this bit, and then that bit will be the squishy bit. And it is. See, I can bounce it like a sponge there. Yum. Right, let's get rice. This is hot sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. Mistake or not? I don't know. Yo. Super salty, like with that hot sauce. Gonna sweeten it up too. What was that?
Stop wiping in your hand. Your shirt.
Guys, mukbang ako na lang naiwan. Yan yung mga kasama ko guys. Ayan pa, doon yung isa sa loob guys.
Parang malat mo.
Dikit-dikit din, kaya nang harap lang ano. Yan parang sarap na lang itlog.